how much greatness that are in Africans, how much abilities, how much capacities, how much wisdom, how much potential that are in Africans. Do you know how much that the world has not seen, that people have not known, that humanity has never seen? So much greatness that are in Africans. But these wolves, these demonic agents, these colonial agents, have put Africans in confinement for a long time. They have boxed us. They have put many of us in bondage, and we're working like jackards. We're working like horse. We're doing mundane things. We're doing things that are not even important, that are not even relevant to our values and purpose. We're serving these slave masters, and they've never let many of us to go. They've never allowed us to live our lives. They've not allowed us to do what we actually wanted to do in life. You see, you go to all these foreign countries, and then you go and work like slaves. You go and do jobs, menial jobs, dirty jobs that are not adding value to you, or you just to survive, to pay bills, right? And to send some money home. The money that will still be gobbed, will still be embezzled by the corrupt government in Africa. So just working your ass off, just living below your value and capacity. But I tell you that this is a new season for Africans all over the world. It is a new dawn for Africans, because we're going to break through, and we're going to break forth, and we're going to bring our values and potentials and greatness to the world. People are going to see how much greatness Africans have all over the world. Many of us, our talents, our gifts, our abilities have not been revealed to the world. People have not know what you have here. They don't know, you can't even see. Look, if there's anything you've seen Africans done in the world, that is just less than 10% of what we can do, as a matter of fact. That is less than 10% of what we can do as Africans in the world. I say this is a new season when Africans are going to break forth, where you're going to express your gift and talent and purpose, where you're going to do great things in the world, and people are going to be shocked, like, wow, I can't even imagine someone can do this, so much great things. We're going to have a lot of breakthroughs in music, a lot of breakthrough in dancing, in athletics, in gymnastics. Many sports are going to be invented by Africans. Africans are going to invent so many games. Very amazing things are going to be done by Africans. You have no idea. I tell you. Because there's so much greatness locked inside Africans. There's so much greatness. These other guys, these non-Africans, have been developing their own potentials and talent. And you see, when they do all these things, they do technology, they do this, they do that, and then it's all about them. It's all about their own glory. But what about the Africans? What about Africans? We also have so much greatness in us. But these guys have boxed many of us. They've not allowed us to express our gifts. They've not allowed us to express our talents in the world. Many of us are just walking like jackards, like horse, doing menial jobs, stupid jobs, dirty jobs. We are not living our purpose. We are not living our capacity. Many of us, so many greatness are locked inside of us, and we've not expressed those things yet. You're just busy. Your mind is occupied with money, your jobs. Just want to make money, want to pay bills. That's what your mind is busy with. You don't have time to think about important things about your life. You don't have time to develop, to discover your gift, to develop your gift. So much talent. You know you are more than this. You know you can do more than what you're doing now. You know that. You know there's so much greatness in you, but there's just this financial burden on you, financial stress on you, demand. You're just busy paying bills. It's all about paying bills. I have to pay bills. And I'm not saying you should not pay bills, because that's what these colonial demons have done to us. Just put us in a cycle where we've been working like horse. Put put us in that cycle, in that system, that evil system of working your ass off, and then before you know it, your time is over, and then you become old, and you can no longer work anymore, and then you become tired, and they retire you, and then before you know it now, life is gone, and then your children will enter that same cycle. God forbid it happens. We must fight this evil and wickedness. The demons must be summoned and put to judgment. They must be summoned and put to judgment, because judgment has come upon them and their generations. These demons that they have locked Africans under their slavery and control.